Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 18-inch alloy wheels, there's the black roof, tinted rear windows, front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. And inside the car you've got a half-leather interior. The touchscreen features 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, blind spot detection, also speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done under 22,500 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.